Hello everyone, assalamu alaikum, welcome back to our channel. I'm back with another exciting video. Today I'm planning to make another style of breakfast toast. So I'm going to be using smashed avocado and also 21-25 shrimp. We're going to be searing up the shrimp, making a nice breakfast toast with the shrimp. Please enjoy this video and thanks for tuning in. So for shrimp avocado toast, first I'm going to marinate the shrimp. So I'm going to add some salt. A little salt, black pepper, some crushed chili, touch of crushed chili, and also a little bit of garlic. Olive oil. We're gonna marinate, leave it for 5-10 minutes in the fridge. So we just roll it up, everything nice and mix. And some lime juice. So we're gonna add some lime juice also. Give nice flavor. So now we're gonna leave it in the fridge for 5-10 minutes. Get marinated. So now we're gonna fry our shrimp. Oil is hot. We're gonna put the shrimp inside. So the shrimp is nicely grilled. So we're gonna take it out, the shrimp. So now we're toasting our bread. So I butter the toast. So our toast is ready, nice and brown. So now we're gonna make our avocado, smashed avocado. So I'm gonna add some chopped onion, some green onion, and some cilantro, green chili, tiny bit of green chili, avocado. I'm gonna add avocado now. Run around the avocado edges and take it out like this. So now some seasoning, black pepper, salt, a little bit of olive oil, lime juice, and then we're gonna smash the avocado. Gonna mix everything together. So now I'm gonna add some red pepper also, small dice also. Mix everything. So our smashed avocado is ready. This is our toast. We're gonna assemble. So I'm gonna add some green leaf, thin sliced tomato, this, and then we're gonna put our smashed avocado. Now we're gonna add our shrimp. So shrimp earlier we grill it, so now I'm gonna put top of the avocado. I'm gonna remove the tail, the shrimp tail. Cut into middle, just like that. And we're gonna put the shrimp just like this. So our shrimp avocado toast ready. We're gonna do some garnish. Add some dill, nice dill. Some green onion. Couple of red radish slices, just to give a little color. Voila, it's ready. So thanks for watching this video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Came out very nice, look amazingly delicious. Please do try this recipe. Pretty easy and quick to make and very healthy also. The shrimp avocado toast look amazing. And also follow us on Instagram, Facebook and Twitter. If you like our video, consider subscribe our channel. I will be back pretty soon. Take care of yourselves. Stay safe. Allah everyone.